Welcome back. I'm sharing with you all my travels for hygiene shopping, window hygiene shopping, that is. We've got the Windows travel kit. That's like a commercial. This is where I show you all what I see in stores during my adventures. Sometimes I can just walk through a store just to show you all what they have. You are truly the champion if you have done that and seen several smell good things. Anywho, we had a women's travel kit here. We got small baby sizes, I call them baby size amounts of Pantene shampoo and conditioner. We got Secret deodorant. We have a shower loofah, which even in these travel kits, I still suggest the 2-week warning and then switch them out. Of course, if you're traveling, I would suggest switching them out after a week. Unless that's completely not feasible, then I suggest pre-packing a plush washcloth or 3. That's all I'm saying. Also, I like the ideal of convenience, but then I also like the ideal of preparation as well. So if you ever want things to be convenient, then you might want to adopt the principle, if you have not already, of preparation. These are a bit pricey, they're a bit expensive, but I like the concept. It just reminds me of what you should have. I'm seeing the Scope, Crest and Scope mouthwash. They also have an accompanied very much matching toothpaste to go with that as well. Then we have the men's travel kit, which I will not be speaking about in this particular video, but it's just, I wanted to share it with you all anyway because they put them right alongside each other. Genius idea. They're a bit pricey, so I suggest just going ahead and pairing together a women's travel kit and a men's travel kit, whoever you're preparing it for whatever occasion you're preparing it for, and just haul off and construct your own travel kit. I can bet your bottom dollar if you go to Dollar Tree and other select stores where you know you can get these similar things for quite a bargain, because I know it is completely possible. I bet you won't even spend $12 unless you really want to, and we're talking about having multiple travel size bottles of things to bathe with or deodorant. And if that's not the case, you probably won't spend $12.99, including with the tax. If you'd like to see more videos like this where I share with you my hygiene window shopping, hygiene smell good window shopping, just walk in the store. On either side, I'm going to have a playlist for you all to enjoy. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient. It is kind. It does not envy or boast. And it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,